All right, good evening and welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Rafael from spacedigitals.com, and in this tutorial, I'll try to be showing you how to install a plugin both from your dashboard and from a third-party website. Okay, and also how to install a theme. We all know what theme is. Theme actually is the website itself, while plugin actually extend the functionality of that particular website. For instance, if you look at this particular website that I'm using for tutorial now, you can see this is the 2022 theme, if I'm not mistaken. You can see this is how it looks. Not too good. Okay, so we'll be starting with installation of what is it called theme. Okay, let's go back to our dashboard. Hover over appearance. You can see this is theme. Click on theme. Okay, this is 2023 theme. That is the activity you can see. You can see active. All these ones are, this one is 2021. So all these ones are theme. Okay, let's say I want to install the theme from an external, a third party this thing. All I need to do is to click on this guy here, add new theme. Okay, I'm going to click on this upload. Then I'm going to search for the theme, or I can easily drag and drop the theme. For instance, let's say I want to use this guy as an example. This is a plugin. I'm going to show how to install it with this particular one. I just want to show you, let's say this is a theme. I will just drag it, open this guy, then drop it here. Then the next thing is to click on install. That is how you can install a theme from a third party website, or any theme that you already downloaded. But let's say premium theme, because mainly all these external download actually premium download, premium plugin or theme. These are the ones. The rest you can actually access any free plugin. 80 to 90% of them you can actually access it from your WordPress dashboard directory. Okay, so once you've uploaded, you can actually click on install now, or you can click on this guy, choose file. I can still choose the file from here. You can see the same subscribe to download button. Okay, once you are done, so these are the ways you can actually install theme to your WordPress site. Okay, but for now, I'm going to install the theme from the WordPress directory. So I'm going to click on theme now. Okay, you can search from here. You can search from here. Okay, any of them works. So I'm going to click on this add new. Okay, let me search for abstract theme. Okay, you can see this is the theme. You can read anything about them. Okay, from here you can install it from here. You can install it from here. Okay, look at install here. So I'm going to click on install. You can preview it. So let me click on install. As it has been installed, but it is not active yet. If you install plugin theme and you did not activate it, it is not going to work. It will still be showing the same thing. Nothing will change. You can see nothing will change. Now let's activate it. Once you activate it, that makes it active. It will change the face of that your website. Okay, that is the beauty of using a theme. Okay, okay. Once you are done installing all these ones, you can actually remove them. That is the best way to just, you can see, delete. If you must leave, just leave only one. Delete. Okay. So I'm leaving this one only. Okay, now if we refresh this guy, you notice the look will change a little compared to how it were before. You can see it has changed. Okay, so this is how to install theme. Now let's go to how to install plugin. Remember, we hovered over theme, over appearance, and we selected theme. Look at it. This is theme. But now what we're going to do is to hover over plugins. Then click on add new. Okay, I can search for any plugin from here. Let's say I can search for Elementor from here. Okay, you can see I can install Elementor from here. Click on install. Then click on activate. So any plugin that you actually want to install, you can search for it here and install it. These are installed plugin. These are the ones that I've just installed. Some of them came default. Why I've installed them? We can see this is the element I just installed. Remember, it was the light that I installed. Okay. Now, if I want to install from a third-party website, all I need to do is to click on Add New, click on Upload Plugin, then search for the plugin. So I'm going to use this guy that I used earlier. Just drag it, then undrop it here. Okay, then click on Install. I've already installed it earlier. Okay, you can see it's showing me because I've already installed it. This plugin is already installed. Okay, that's why it's showing me this particular. But in your case, it's not going to show you this. Once you install it, you see activate. Instead of this replace with uploaded, you see activate. Just click on activate and you are what? You are good to go. Once you are done installing your plugin, the next thing you need to do is to go to setting to set the plugin. You can access some of them from here. You can access some of them from here. Then some of them you need to click on appearance for you to access some of them. Like I see, this is Astra. Okay, and some of them you need to click on the plugin itself, install plugin. Okay, you now come down and click on setting. You can see these are how you can actually install plugin and set them up. So basically, this is how you can install plugin and set them up on your dashboard, plugin and theme. I hope this video was helpful. Please, if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, kindly do me a favor by hitting on that red subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so anytime I upload new video, you'll be notified. You can also visit my website, spreaddigitals.com. I do my best to upload quality articles on that website. Thank you very much and God bless.